Welcome to Kelly's Bachelorette.
You got some champagne.
Champagne,
Got
okay.
a champagne bottle in there.
Cold.
Yes, girl, it's chilled.
It says, on behalf of our entire team, welcome to the Omni Dallas Hotel. It says, we are thrilled to have this opportunity to have you stay here with us and hope your stay is nothing less than enjoyable.
That's nice.
This is not from y'all, right?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Ooh.
What's it say? Oh,
Omni.
Omni.
And it's like sparkly.
Oh, they got a ring on it.
So nice, girl. Okay. Oh, maybe this is the itinerary, I bet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's like a little Instagram.
Oh, that's
How
cute.
It's like their
Oh, it's all the
Insta.
places to eat.
Oh,
look
that
at
looks really
that.
yummy. Oh, that's cute.
We should eat there.
This is cool.
So those are at restaurants at the
Okay.
Omni?
Oh, wow. Okay, it says, oh, cool. It says, Kelly, welcome to Omni Dallas. We are thrilled to have you. Here's a quick snapshot of plans while you're here. Oh, so they have all their like socials. So like
Of all the restaurants?
Cafe Herrera, you do like the hashtag.
Mmm.
Owner's Box, Texas Spice.
Oh, I want to eat that.
I know, it looks really
Look
good.
at that drink.
The drink looks fun.
Mm-mm.
How cool.
That's awesome. Let's
okay,
do the
we gotta
itinerary.
find the chocolate. What would it be? Cool. Okay guys, we just got into the Omni in Dallas and it's amazing. Here's our room and this is like the most crazy cool views ever. Super plush bedding and they gave us little like slippers and a robe. It's so cute. But that's not the best part. We got the hospitality suite. So there's like a little sitting area and a TV and amazing views and my friends and a sink and champagne. I'm like getting emotional. Anyways, and look at that view. It's so crazy. Oh, that is so cute. Michelle. Love you. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing. Where did you get it? Wait, that's the Costco one?
No, I'm good.
Oh. And then we have our second room and it's 2 queen beds, the same perfect bedding, the fun little pillows is so cool. And then they have bathrooms. Let's see. Oh, I think we need a key for the light, but super perfect. Oh, and there's a TV in the mirror. Crazy. And then the super cool thing, there's a second like guest bathroom. So cool. And it has a crazy view. Like, you may just go to the bathroom with everyone staring, but how cool is this? Wow, you really can't get better than this. This is crazy. Oh gosh, it looks so good. It smells so good.
Nice.
Okay, so yes, oh yes. Oh, it looks so good. French fries and quesadillas and cheesecake. Oh, it smells so good. Salad looks so healthy. And what was the last one? Oh yeah, these look good. Tacos. And this looks amazing. Oh, the pizza. Yum. We just ate all the food and now, now we're gonna do a little lingerie party. A quick little one and then just have a girls' night. So, well, that lighting's amazing.
Oh, now you like the light?
Mm-hmm.
Got a hair. This crazy light thing.
But yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect. This is cute.
Hey guys. gummy bears. Alright guys, we are settling in for the night. Me and my sister, we got our friends, and look at these super cute pillows that my sister got us. So we love Bratz. Like, I know that's super like 2004, but we do. So this is Chloe in her slumber party outfit, and this is Sasha in her
Bunny
slumber.
Boo.
Oh yeah, Bunny Boo and Angel, and it's like our favorite characters. So my awesome sister got that for all of us. Got our friends. I got my friend and my other friend, and we're having
Time to
Disney
go to
Channel
bed.
on. We're ready to go to bed. We had a long day. It is currently, what time is it? It's 12:30. So we're ready to go to bed. So we're gonna go to bed. You are ready for bed. We're gonna go to bed, and then we will see y'all tomorrow.
I haven't shared a bed with you in a long time.
Oh man. Good morning, guys. They brought us the cutest little mimosa cart. It's like super dark, but oh, there we go. They brought us, what is this, pineapple? And then orange and cranberry, and then some like fruit toppings, and all the champagne we could ask for. So that was super fun, and then we're about to head to breakfast. Isn't that right? Oh. All right, guys, we are about to go get breakfast. I'm wearing this super fun, like white pom-pom dress, and then my super gas sneakers, super fun. And yeah, we're about to go get breakfast. We're starving. We just had mimosas. There's my sister. Say hi. So yeah, we're very excited. We're all very hungry. It's like 11, what time is it?
11:20.
It's 11:24 right now, so we're ready to eat. We're gonna go get breakfast, and then we're gonna hang out by the pool, and then have some fun tonight. Yum. Yum. Oh, it looks good. So something super cool about the Omni is that you can walk out of the hotel, and then there's this really cool street full of restaurants and bars and all the amazing photo ops, so it makes it really easy to just stay on property the whole time. And that is definitely something I love when I'm on vacation, is not having to worry about an Uber or anything like that. So this little street was super cute, and just like everything you could possibly need, and the views were amazing, and it just felt so good outside. It was just the perfect afternoon. Okay, we are back from lunch, and we are about to go swimming. I'm wearing this super cute like romper cover up, and then my pink swimsuit, and we're about to go to the pool, maybe get a drink, hang out for a bit until dinner. So yeah, it's gonna be super fun, and the pool is gorgeous, like skyline view. It's gonna be fun. Here is my little outfit. Probably couldn't see it last time, but I got this super cute like white crochet romper. It's adorable. It's from Amaryllis Boutique. I think they're just adorable. I'll link it below for you guys if you guys want it as well. And then I got this adorable like hot pink bikini that I have been wearing for like a year or more now, and it's just my ride or die swimsuit with some pink bottoms, and then these adorable shoes from Amazon. They're like a, you know, pretty pink blush nude. They're perfect. Oh, and I also have a hat. I have this hat. It's super cute. Just gonna kind of pop it on, and I look cute, right? We just hung out at the pool a little bit, kind of, and now we're gonna go try to find some coffee. Ooh.
Looks bad. That's why, baby.
What kind of thing are you sipping?
A latte.
Latte.
I read it every year. I read it once a year. Yeah. So this year I'm going really slow and making it yeah. So like at the beginning of the year I started this in August, and then doing this in
Hello.
until not even halfway through the first one. Yeah.
They decorated for fall. It's so cute. And Pete's coffee is super good. We love Pete's coffee. Got pumpkin latte. The only thing is it's a paper straw, so
Gotta drink it fast.
Gotta drink it fast. And what's yours?
Honey Harvest.
What is on the bottom?
I don't know, maybe it's like condensed milk or something.
Yum.
What'd you get?
We are about to go out to dinner. I'm wearing my cute little white dress and rose gold heels, and then they got me this little like bride-to-be sash, and it's rose gold, so super cute. And we're gonna get Mexican food. We got really cool bride tribe tattoos. These are so cool. Where's your diamond? That's so cool. Oh,
Cute.
yeah, cute. And then, oh, Abby's is cool with it on the hand. And then, I don't know how to do this, but bride.
Diamond. Little twirl.
Bride. It was weird, my hair. Oh my god. All right, Kelly, what do you got?
Is it vodka? Tito's? There's an ice cube in there. I don't know if I can drink all of it.
At least try it.
Let's try a little bit. Oh my god.
Nope.
You're supposed to down it. There's no way. I like. I mean, don't let it sit on your tongue. Just swallow.
Yeah, shoot it back. Yeah?
Then just sip it.
I mean, that's what Dad does with the shove-its. What's like what Dad's drink?
It's more than just a shot. It's like a drink.
It's like a double.
I think it's like 5 or 6.
Really? You got guys got to do small shots. There's Abigail.
Got some combo things.
Yeah, that looks good. We got that looks good. That's Rebecca's. Ooh. Lighting's still good. There's Kelly. She's got her fajita. And Michelle.
Classic combo
She's got
fajitas.
hers. And I have enchiladas.
Oh yeah, black
Look at that. They just brought us some dessert. These are sopapillas, and then what are these?
Churros.
Churros, and then ice cream. Super cute. We're about to go get breakfast. Wearing my cute little denim jacket, my princess shirt, some leggings. What are you wearing? You got your denim shirt. About to go get pancakes. Oh,
Stand away from me.
about to go get pancakes. Hopefully. Last time we were too late for breakfast. Twins.
It's breakfast time.
And this is going to wrap up my amazing bachelorette at the Omni in Dallas. We had a great time, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're looking for any outfit links or just more fun stuff from this weekend, there's a full blog post on theglamorousblonde.com. Bye guys!